In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for HR recruitment process. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable flow you can use to track candidates from first touch to final decision. The goal is to keep everything in one place: who you're considering, what's next, and when each action is due, so your team stays aligned and no applicant slips through the cracks. Start by opening your recruitment board. In this example, it's called Trial Management, but yours may have a different name. Think of this board as your hiring pipeline. Each row represents a candidate or a hiring task, and the columns help you capture the details that matter most, like dates, statuses, and notes. If your view looks busy, remember, you can resize columns or switch views to focus on what you need. Create a new item by clicking New Task. This adds a fresh row to your pipeline. Give it a clear, consistent name, something like the candidate's name paired with the role title, so it's easy to find later. Consistency here pays off when you're filtering, searching, or reporting. Open the item and fill in the key fields. Set a due date for the next action, such as a phone screen, a hiring manager review, or an offer discussion. Then choose a status that reflects where the candidate stands in your process. Use whatever labels your team already agreed on, for example, screening, interviewing, on hold, or hired, so everyone reads the board the same way. Add any other information your board includes, such as the job location, the recruiter or hiring manager responsible, and quick notes about the conversation. If you have a resume or portfolio, attach it here so everything travels with the item. Short, specific notes like awaiting references or needs skills assessment make handoffs faster and updates clearer. As work progresses, keep the item current. When the candidate's journey or the task is finished, drag the item to the complete area or set its status to complete. This step does more than tidy your board. It powers accurate metrics, cleans up active views, and helps you spot bottlenecks. You can also drag items up or down to prioritize what needs attention first. To make your board even more insightful, consider adding widgets and enhancements later, like simple charts to visualize pipeline stages or a calendar view for interview dates. Small tweaks like these can make your table more comprehensive and efficient without changing your core process. That's it. Open your board, add a new task, update the due date and status with clear details, and mark it complete when you're done. Follow this rhythm consistently, and your recruitment pipeline will run lean, visible, and on time.